By the end of this training, you will draw these 3 portraits. Don't worry, we will go step by step. If you want to improve your portrait drawing, you must focus on the basics. In this part, I will explain to you how to construct the head in 5 steps. After practicing this, I guarantee you will improve so much. If we remove all the details from a portrait, we will be left with the most basic head, which has 2 main shapes: a sphere for the head and a boxy shape for the jaw. So the first step is to draw a circle, of course. You will always start with a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but please don't draw a potato shape. You should make drawing circles a warm-up exercise. We use a circle because it's the closest basic shape to the cranium. However, the human head isn't a perfect sphere. That's why we chop the sides, and we represent that with a second circle inside the main one. It always starts from the corner of the eyebrow to the back of the ear, and its size is 2/3 of the main circle. Now, I need you to focus on this part because it's really important. The only case where you draw this side circle as a perfect circle is on profile view. When the reference is turning to the front view, you will notice that the side circle becomes an oval and gets smaller and smaller. Now you have to draw the center lines, or like Andrew Loomis called them, the cross of the face. These 2 lines indicates where the head is facing. If the reference is looking down, the eyebrow line will be below the center line, and if it's looking up, it will be above it. Now, by using the side circle, we can locate the hair and the nose line. And to find the chin, we simply copy the same distance from the nose to the eyebrow. You see, this technique is like a puzzle. If you know the steps, you just apply them to your reference. By the way, the place of the features always change depending on each person. But we use these rules as a start and then adjust it when necessary. Now we connect the chin to the side with the jaw. And there you have it, the basic Loomis head. All we have to do now is to add the features, which I covered separately in the next videos. I'm explaining this with profile view because I believe that's the easiest angle to practice as a beginner. But don't worry, you can use the same steps for every angle. You start with the circle, cut the sides, add the cross of the face, measure the thirds, and you can adjust them later if the reference doesn't follow the rules. And finally, you connect the chin to the ear with the jaw. Now, let's apply what you've learned using these templates, which you can download for free using the link in the description. Each reference has 5 levels. Use the one you are most comfortable with. In this example, I'll be using level 3. And by the way, keep the practice sheet because we will use it again in the next lessons to draw the features. Now, let's get started. That's it for the basic head. We will draw the feature in the next video. Make sure you join the Discord server using the link in the description to share your practice for the feedback. So click here to see how to draw the nose.